who's here. Are you ready to go try the potty now?
Okay, I go potty. But I don't want a bath.
It's okay, sweetie. It's gonna be nice and warm. Come on.
Here come the bubbles. Get ready.
Whoa! More bubbles! Look how big they are! Woohoo!
Hi! Bubbles!
Ready to splash! Scrub, 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 scrub.
Check out my awesome mohawk.
Wow, look at my tall tower!
I'm making mine even bigger. Go, go, go! Come on, yellow boat! Yes! I won! Look at the giant waterfall! It is splashing everywhere! Here comes the geyser!
Oh, no, you don't! Take this!
Ah! I'll get both of you.
Wow, I look super clean! This outfit is perfect! Time to shine bright! The moon smiled down on the cozy little house as everyone settled in for the night.
Bath time is the best!